So you might be trying to figure out how you can use your Magic Keyboard. Now this is going to be a very basic introduction, nothing super crazy. Hopefully you all kind of know how to use a keyboard by now. But these Magic Keyboards but these Magic Keyboards are very good, keyboards for sure, and I like them so much. Now on the exterior, you're getting your standard keys, whether you have the keyboard 1 or the latest one. You're getting your standard keyboard keys. These are at the very top of your function keys. So if you're plugging it into a Windows PC, you'll still have the same functionality as a standard keyboard. But on Macs, they're a little bit more intuitive. You can change the brightness up and down here. You can do all sorts of other macOS type of related things too. You can also quickly lock, or if you want to hold this down, you can quickly lock your keyboard or your Mac or whatever you're using by holding this specific button down, which is very cool. Now to wake it, you can also click keyboard or whatever other keyboard you have. Now at the very top portion of your keyboard is some very, very important stuff. So for one, you have your lightning port. So this will allow you to go ahead and quickly plug in a specific cord inside of your specific MacBook. And this is very, very important. So if you want to go in and quickly plug in and connect your MacBook to or your keyboard to your Mac or whatever, you can plug it in via this lightning port. It's a very important thing. You also have this on-off button. So if you want to quickly just turn off the keyboard, you can just quickly toggle this off this way. So the silver button is pointing to the left towards the lightning port. If you want to go and turn it on, you can just toggle it off this way or toggle it on that way. You can click a key and it will go and be connected to your device. This is nice because if you're traveling or whatever, you can just turn it off and you don't have to worry about it, idling around and wasting battery. On the back side, you basically don't have anything, just this Apple logo and the standard feed at the bottom. So there's some standard stuff right there. Now that's kind of that here. Now using it with your Mac, like I said, is very basic. All you have to do is just go ahead and kind of mess around with it and it'll start, kind of typing itself. There's a lot of little keyboard actions and stuff that you can use with this specific keyboard. Now, quick thing too, if you make your way over to your actual keyboard, inside of your settings, so if you click into system settings, there should be some keyboard options that you can kind of mess with too. So if you scroll down, you should see keyboard inside of your system settings right here. So if you click here, you can also change a lot of stuff within this keyboard. You can also see basically your battery percentage up here, your key repeat rate, text input, so many things you can kind of change within your keyboard. So I'd recommend going through your macOS settings if you have this type of macOS. If you're connecting to Windows, it's different. If you're connected to macOS, then I'd recommend just going down this direction and actually using your keyboard this way. So that is a quick introduction on how to use your Magic Keyboard. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.